Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add columns in Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let's get started. Do not worry if you're not comfortable with Google Docs or you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, let's get started with the tutorial itself. Before proceeding, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now, as you can see in my screen, I have here a whole paragraph or essay or a sample document for this tutorial. Let's say, for instance, I would like to add a column. I would like to change this whole paragraph into a 2-column paragraph or even a 3-column paragraph. How do we do that? It's actually quite simple. As you can see, on our upper panel of the screen, we have tons of options to choose from. This is our ribbon and this is our tabs. Now, one very useful tool that you can use for Google Docs is the search bar right here, or the search the menus, or alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt+/, like so. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's stick with the manual location right here. We will just click it once, and now as you can see, we have here the search menu. All we have to do is to search for the word column. As you can see, we have tons of options to choose from right over here. Now, what we would like to do is to click on the second option, which says column options. Click it once. And as you can see, on our column options, we can choose the number of columns and the spacing of the columns. Now, for instance, I would like this one to be 2 columns. What I would do is to press this icon once and set it to 2, like so. You just hit apply, and as you can see, as simple as that, we have now divided or separated the paragraph into 2 different columns. But what if I would like it to be 3 columns? We will do the same process that we did earlier. Head over to the search the menus button, click on column options, and on the number of columns, head over to the corresponding numerical value, click on it once, and set it to 3, as we would like it to have 3 columns. Note that you can surpass 3. 3 is the maximum column that you can have for a Google Docs document. Click it once and click it apply. Now as you can see, all of the pages have now 3 columns. As simple as that, we have now added column on our document. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. For more videos like this, we have created a dedicated playlist for a bunch of Google Docs tutorials to help you. Now from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching.